Hi everyone, my name is Arrow. I'm the collections technician for natural history here at the Manitoba Museum. With last month's video, we asked what should we put under the high mag lenses next, and YouTube user @Supagram came through with a super suggestion. My favorite bug, your worst nightmare, maybe? Introducing Lethoceras americanus, the giant water bug. This is a species that we have in Manitoba. Let's dive in. Giant water bugs are ambush predators, having evolved an incredible suite of adaptations that allow them to hide underwater until the perfect moment to strike. Giant water bugs don't have a biological gill that would allow them to pull oxygen directly from the water, so they do need occasional air access to breathe. As is typical for terrestrial insects, they have a little line of holes called spiracles that run down the sides of their bodies, and they suck gaseous air in and out through those spiracles. On Lethoceras americanus, those spiracles are located under the wings. At the tip of the abdomen, there are a pair of extendable siphons, or breathing tubes, that break the surface of the water. Air travels through the siphons into the space between the wings and the abdomen, forming a bubble. Spiracles open directly into that space between the wings and the abdomen, allowing the giant water bug to breathe directly from the bubble. It's almost as if it has a little oxygen tank on its back. Giant water bugs can also stay fully submerged for longer periods of time by occasionally opening the space between their wings and the abdomen. This exposes the bubble's surface to water, allowing dissolved oxygen from the water to diffuse from the water directly into the bubble. The more oxygenated the water is, the longer the bug can stay submerged and ready to pounce. Now that breathing is sorted out, let's talk about the strike. Giant water bugs tend to rest near the surface of the water. They use their middle legs to grab onto vegetation so the breathing siphons can break the surface, and they hold their front legs down towards the water, ready to strike. Their front legs are what are called raptorial front legs, which means that they are very powerful and they can snap shut with super speed at the joint between the broad femur and the narrow tibia. They lie in wait, front legs out, and when their big compound eyes detect prey in range, snap! They get it, and it's held right next to the mouth, so they are ready to bite. Giant water bugs eat with a piercing sucking mouthpart called a rostrum that they stab into their prey. First, they inject a cocktail of enzymes that break down proteins. The prey is paralyzed quickly, and then soon after, the muscles and organs break down, turning into something like a smoothie. Wait, we're in Winnipeg, turning into something like a Slurpee that they can then suck out. The raptorial legs then open up to release the husk of its meal, which might have been an insect, or a snail, or a tadpole, or even a small fish. These enzymes do also work on human proteins. Along with the size of the rostrum, this makes their defensive bite extremely painful. The bite is not medically significant, so if you ever get bit, you'll live, but it'll hurt, and you will learn why they are sometimes called toe biters. Thanks for coming along on this dive into giant water bugs. What should we look at next? Butterfly wings, shrew teeth, secret third thing? Let us know in the comments.